I love you, I love, I love, I love Olivia. Oh, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love, I love Olivia. Today we're going to get straight to the video. So, hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today we're going to talk about
रंगीन बातें।
tell me your favorite color. So, your favorite color defines a huge part of your personality and your behavioral traits. So, each and every color triggers a certain psychological response and changes your mood. So, your favorite color right now might not be the favorite color that you had probably 1 year back, or 2 years back, or 5 years back. So, if my favorite color right now is black or gold, I might like turquoise or magenta or blue or white or any other color in next few months maybe, or few years. So your favorite color actually defines your personality and the mood that you're into or the phase that you're going through right now. What sometimes happens is, if people ask you what's your favorite color and you go ahead and say a certain color, but that is not the color that you usually go out while you're picking your clothes or things for your room or stationery or stuff like that. So if you are magnetically pulled towards some other color and you incorporate that too much in your life, so that's probably the color that you should be focusing right now in the video, and not the color you're going ahead and telling everyone. So let's find out what your favorite color means. First color that we're going to be finding out about is red. So if you're a red person and you incorporate red a lot in your life, you're probably this bold personality who is a go-getter and ambitious and confident and full of energy and enthusiastic and runs behind their dreams and wants to achieve it. And also, you're constantly looking for opportunities and you love to live your life to the fullest and you love being the center of attention. Yes, it's true. But you're proactive, and that's also a good point. Yellow. So, yellow. So if you are a yellow person, you crave fun and logic and excitement, and you crave to learn new things in your life, and you love collecting creative ideas. And yes, yellow lovers are total daydreamers. So we are constantly daydreaming about kash aisa hota, if this was like this, I would have reacted like this, which also means that you worry about irrational things a lot which don't make sense at all. If you're a yellow person, you also don't mind being alone. You are quite self-sufficient, but when in bad mood, you can be mean to people like hell cracks open when you're mean to people. When you're in a bad mood, you're aloof, you don't want to be around anyone because you don't want to hurt anyone around you. But that's only temporary, that goes off after a while. So that's a good point. So overall, you're a personality who is very bubbly and fun-loving and keeps family close, keeps friends close, is outgoing but also comfortable being alone. So overall, I love this personality. So the third color is green. So if you are a green person, or your family members or your friends or your partner is a green loving person, they are most probably, or you are most probably the best person to be around, as you are expressive, you're empathetic, and you're emotional as well. So you are probably one of the person in the group who's a good shoulder to cry upon, and people usually come to you to express their emotions or tell about their deep secrets because you're good with that. You, my friend, are a deep thinker, and the topmost priority in your life is to feel secure and safe. You love to be loved. People around you are super comfortable because you are a down-to-earth personality, but you also crave for people's acknowledgement so much that if someone has a negative review or criticize you, you don't take that really well and it gets to your heart.
There.
But you are a good listener and a pleasant personality, and people love being around you because you spread positivity, and that's a good thing. Go green. So the fourth color is the color which is quite popular in people's favorites, which is, can you guess? Blue! Blue! So blue represents a great need for inner peace and clarity, and respect and stability is something that they want in their lives always. They want to lead their life with respect from people around them. They hate unpredictability. They love predictability. It might be in the kind of food that they eat every day, or the workplace, or the place that they reside in. Everything needs to be predictable to them. If you love blue, you are a reliable person and also a sensitive person. So all the people and boys who love blue are the people who are very sensitive under say, and very reliable, and love to lead a very respectable life. People rely on you and they know that you're going to be there for them because you're very dependable as a person and very loyal and very romantic as a personality. So like I said, you're very dependable as a person. You love to lead a respectable life. That makes you a very good employer and an employee. You're super good at managing people. You can be a great employer or an employee. Fifth color was my favorite color while I was growing up, and mostly almost every girl's favorite color while she's growing up, which is pink. So pink is a color which has a very soft and nurturing and loving side to it. People who love pink have a very sensitive side to them, and they're very delicate while dealing with their own feelings or dealing with someone else's feelings as well. They have this deep need of being accepted by people or being loved by their loved ones unconditionally. They also have quite idealistic standards. The sixth color is one of my favorites right now, which is black. Now, people who love black are the people who are strong-willed and go-getters. They don't afraid to dream big, and they have the guts to go and achieve their dreams and go after their dreams and take control of it. They hate confusion. There are no in-betweens for them. It's black and white, no grays in between. Or rather, it's always black and black for them. Bad joke. They love power and prestige. They're determined, they're brave, and they can be demanding at certain times. So black lovers are also people who are very private in their lives. They don't like sharing too much details to other people. They don't like letting go of their privacy, if I can put it like that. They are also people who constantly think that something is missing, kuch to missing hai, and that is the reason they are constantly after perfection, and that is the thing that keeps them going. The last color that I'm going to be talking in today's video is also one of my favorite color, which is white. White is a color which basically speaks for itself. So it is a color which evokes calmness and peace around. So people who love white are the people who love peaceful environment. It's a very neat and simple color. People are very sincere who love white. They're very confident and self-sufficient. It's almost like if anything is stained upon white, it can be seen. It's a very transparent color. So the people with these personalities are super transparent. Kuch dil mein nahi rakhte. Everything is there, out there. And you love to be optimistic and positive and to be in control of your emotions, and people are naturally drawn to you. So that is it for today. Thank you for your time. I appreciate it.
यार आप लोग सब वीडियो देख के लाइक करना भूल जाते हो, तो लाइक कर दो, कमेंट कर दो, अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर भी कर लेना, और हाँ, यूट्यूब पे सब्सक्रिप्शन फ्री है तो सब्सक्राइब भी कर दो ना. थैंक यू.